The Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children Clearinghouse have issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Virginia Beach City Police Department for a child abduction that occurred on January 24th, 2025 at approximately 0900 hours. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen in the 200 block of Micah Avenue, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Abducted is Juan Sebastian Mejia Acevedo, an Hispanic male, black hair, brown eyes, 12 years old, 5 foot 8 inches tall, weighing 105 pounds. The abducted child was last seen wearing blue pants, a red hoodie, and black shoes. No scars, marks, or tattoos. The child is believed to have been abducted by an unknown person. For further information, contact the Virginia Beach City Police Department at 757-385-5000 or visit https://bit.ly/3E6R1TW